Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video, I'm growing lots of fenugreek. Fenugreek is used a lot in Indian cooking and it's known as methi. So without any further ado, let's get started on growing some fenugreek.
First, start with fenugreek seeds, which you can buy online or from a spice store or an Indian store. Add the seeds to a cup and then add water to soak the seeds. Soak the seeds in water for at least 2 hours. Drop the seeds in rows and cover the seeds. I use in-ground beds with berms to contain water to grow fenugreek. The whole bed has been planted and labeled with traditional Indian name Methi. After 5 days, the seedlings appear. The seedlings show great strength to push the dirt on top and emerge to soak the sunlight. Fenugreek is a cool weather herb and it is best to plant fenugreek in fall or autumn. You can even densely plant fenugreek as it grows well in clusters. Plant spacing can be as little as ½ inch to 1 inch and row spacing as little as 6 inches. After 1 week, the seedlings fully establish themselves and fenugreek plants race to grow taller to catch the sunlight. Fenugreek loves moist soil, so make sure to water fenugreek regularly at least every other day. Deep watering is preferred. After 2 weeks, the plants are about 1 to 2 inches tall. After 1 month, the plants are about 4 inches tall. The plants grow fast and unlike some plants, they get along very well and love each other's company. We should learn something from them. After 2 months, the whole bed starts to fill in and the plants are about 8 inches to a foot tall. Fenugreek even does very well in poor soil, so there is no need to add fertilizer. If your soil is not suitable for growing plants, use a lot of compost to lighten up your soil for planting. After 2.5 months or 75 days after planting, the whole bed is filled with lots of fenugreek. The plants are about 12 to 14 inches tall and start to develop flowers. Fenugreek plants are now ready for harvest. The flowers of fenugreek are very fragrant and absolutely beautiful. The buds are yellow, which later turn into pure white flowers. The flowers of fenugreek are also edible. Fenugreek can be used fresh or dried up for using throughout the year. Harvest fenugreek with scissors and new fenugreek stems and leaves will continue to grow. You can get at least 3 cuttings from 1 batch of fenugreek bed. And that's all you need to know to grow lots of fenugreek.
Fenugreek or methi is one of the main ingredients in making saag, and fenugreek is also used to flavor tortillas known as methi di roti. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in another video.